Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Payday 3 black screen issue. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do so, you just need to go on search, then you need to go to settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called GeForce Experience. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that. You just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and then you need to look if there is an update that you need to download and install. And if there is, just install it, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And also you can go to device manager, and then you just need to go to display adapters, right click on update driver, and search automatically for drivers. And still, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game files is corrupted, so it needs to be fixed. If you're using Xbox Game Bar, Xbox app, you just need to go to the game, right click on it, manage, and then here should be a verify and repair. You need to press on that, and also check for updates. Maybe there is an update for you that you need to download and install as well. If you're using Steam, you just need to go to library, click on the game, right click on it, then here should be install files and verify integrity of the game files. And if this doesn't work, then you need to go to the game files. If you're on Xbox, you just need to go to here, manage files, and then you need to go to and press on browse, select the game here, content, and if you're on Xbox Game Bar, it should be like this, game launcher. Then you need to go to, or if you're using Steam, it will be probably Payday 3 exe file. Then you need to go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, and select this option, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. And also press on change high DPI settings, select this option here, override high DPI scaling behavior, and select application and apply the changes. And after that, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, the other thing that you can do here, you need to go to installed apps. Then you need to go to Payday 3, advanced options. And then here on advanced options, you should see repair button. So we need to press that. And still, if this doesn't work, then you need to open a browser. And then on Google, you just need to write DirectX. And probably it will be the first link here, download DirectX. And you just need to download to your desktop or whatever you like. And same thing with Visual C++, just write on Google Visual C++, then you need to select this option here, and then scroll down until you see these two files here, and download these two files and install to your computer. And after that, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.